Just as we realised we were well and truly lost, the transmission started acting up. Being a former test pilot, Ken takes breaking down in the middle of the jungle in a foreign country in his stride. Me, not so much. But just when I'd lost all hope of ever finding our way even back home, we were there and being strapped into a harness before we could even say zipline. Now, I don't know about you, but nothing says I'm sexy like an orange helmet and a crotch harness. I was beginning to get a bit nervous about all of this, especially when I realised my fancy new designer mountain shoes were very slippery up the slope.
Very sexy.
Thanks, guys.
Do I look cute? I know. I just can't help it. All right, we made it up the top of the slipperiest slope known to man in my fancy shoes. Not going down that way, that's for sure.
So let's look at the alternative to getting down to terra firma, shall we?
Shit. Oh shit. I can't believe I agreed to do this.
You suggested it.
God, I'm stupid.
Fortunately, our trusty zipline Sherpas seemed very confident.
They are the best.
Come here, people. It's
Yes.
the best zipline.
Yes, that's a good hit.
Very safe.
Samana,
Very safe.
Samana
Very
zipline.
safe.
Yeah, very
15
safe.
years and 0 accident.
That's perfect. That
John
means-
Louise then showed us exactly what we're meant to do. Oh joy.
Something.
Hello, woo!
Help.
All right, let's go. We're all set.
Yep.
All right.
Oh my God.
It's about at this moment, strapped to my husband in a way he's always wished, careering hundreds of feet above the jungle, I actually realise I'm having fun. A lot of fun. So much
No
fun
hands.
that I got into
Go
it.
ahead.
Solo this time. Will we ever grow up? Not to be outdone, Captain Silverfox had to try upside down too.
Oh, you started out.
Go ahead.
No hands. Let go.
And our prize for surviving, the most delicious
look at
pineapple
this.
drinks.
I said just a little bit of alcohol.
What? Look at this.
Yeah.
Pequeño más.
My Spanish is coming along.
Yeah, poquito. Poquito más.
Yum. Thanks, Samana ziplining. Our return to the car was through the Dominican tree house village. This would be a really cool place for an alternative wedding or a yoga retreat, and I'm sure you could borrow some harness if you drink too many pineapple drinks to find your way back to your house. And now for the waterfall. Of course, we didn't want to go to any old waterfall. We were looking for one that's off the beaten track, which not many people go to because it's pretty hard to find. Fortunately, we went with a couple of friends who spoke much better Spanish than us. Confidently, we strode off into the rainforest with our directions.
It's a bit rainy, but I shall see a waterfall.
The trail got a lot more narrow, and the rain started to really pour. But nothing is going to stop me on my quest for my waterfall.
It's really raining, but we found this candy top, so we will wait.
So off we set again, and finally,
That's the
what
trail
a
film.
beauty this
We
one
found
is.
it.
It's called Cascada Rio de los Cocos, which means waterfall of the river of coconuts, I think.
Wow.
It's actually two waterfalls. Would you believe the sun even came out for us? Finally back in the gorgeous Bahia Marina, we enjoyed some sunset cocktails with our new friends. Press subscribe because in the next episode we'll be crossing over the Mona Passage to Puerto Rico, where there's some of this and this. See you then.